was 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder. And now I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath.
Now for the second runner-up, we have contestant number 1, Mrs. Batilda.
Can we please give her a round of applause? And the first runner-up for Mrs. Face of Meghalaya Season 2 goes to contestant number 2, Mrs. Dahood.
But then we love and feel true. We lose our minds in a city of roses. We wanna ride like we do. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath. And still the things I know. There you go, saving me from all of the cold. Fire on fire, who normally can't
Sorry, I'm very sorry.
Now, for the winner of Mrs. Face of Meghalaya 2024, we have contestant number 4, Kim Tulan. Let's give her a round of applause.